My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we talk about the Ankr coin price. The price changes occur in Ankr coin the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes, and what is the next target of Ankr coin. And I'm also talking about the very urgent update of Ankr coin. So keep watching this video till the end, friends, because this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of your friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Ankr coin. Ankr network. At this time price of the Ankr coin in the market is about 0.161231 USD dollar at this time price. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so absolutely it's a bad news for all of you. The last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Ankr coin has gone wrong, friends. So what's the reason behind that? Why the falls over and over falls occur in the Ankr coin? Let's see for more details the price chart, friends. As you can see, first of all, I have a good news for all of you, friends. Let me show, let me as you can see here, here is a good news for all of you. As you can see, at the last 1 hour they take a jump. So I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the Ankr coin, and they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. Don't worry about the falling of Ankr coin. Now it's a jumping time, friends, and Ankr coin also start jumping in the last 1 hour, friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price change occur in Ankr coin in the last 1 day, so the price change is negative 3.77% in the 24 hour, and the highest price is about 0.16928 USD dollar. It is the highest price of the Ankr coin, and as you can see here, and the currently price is also 0.16%. so the same price, very less changes occur in the price of Ankr coins. Soon they become positive, friends, and they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. Why they fast down over and over, friends? As you can see here, it is the start of new month, friends. I think that is why they fast down due to the start of new month, friends. What's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please also share in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates, friends.